Hi guys, welcome to my Ipsy unboxing with Lily and my Nana. So this is our part 2. Go watch our first video and you will know what we're doing. So I actually don't, one of my things aren't from Ipsy, but we will be showing you anyways. So we got it's stuck to my other package, big package, and
No, we're not looking at that one.
and this. So, yeah, I want to see what it is. We're going to look at it. Don't care what you say. This is my YouTube.
Put it over there.
Okay,
for now, though.
so I think we are going to be starting with this one. And they were nice and they gave us a GoodRx card, which makes like your like medicine and stuff like less money at CVS and stuff. Yeah, whatever.
They didn't send that. It just got stuck. Got stuck to the package.
No,
Okay.
about that. I'm going to be, of course. There's 2 packages then. 1. So we are going, as always, opening the smaller package.
There you go, roll.
Here we
Am I
go.
in your way?
So now we're going to open this one. So yeah, let me try to. Got it. Let's take it out. Ooh. So there is 2 things. I'll show you. Wait, I want to make sure this is. Yes, it is.
What is?
So this is actually perfect.
What is it?
Let me tell you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at this
look
makeup
it.
brush.
And it's sparkly.
It's so pretty and it's like clear.
Oh.
And it even has like this. It looks so pretty.
What's the brand of it? Who made that brush?
I don't know. It just says it
Let
doesn't
me see if
say.
I can figure it out. Oh,
Mm.
it does not have a name on it.
Yes, but
It's very pretty.
it's okay. We have a clear bag in here.
Oh, let's look. I didn't see this. Oh, my.
This is
I
what
like
it just looks like. Like, look at it. And this is the back.
I like the smell of the bag.
And it
It's called
says
Dream on there, right?
Dream. Yeah, it says Dream on it. So now let's open this. And of course, it firstly comes with a card. And this one is sponsoring Dream It, which is the person who made the bag.
So keep it together.
And so we're going to squeeze it.
Sugar something.
Sugar, matte as hell crayon lipstick.
Ooh, what is it? Mad as hell?
Yeah, matte as hell crayon.
Oh, let me see the end. That's the color?
Yeah,
The other end.
this is the color.
Oh, nice.
And now I'm just going to open this and see how it looks. Oh. Nana, you promise you'd shut up this time.
I will. I promise.
You're
I'm just a cameraman.
you're
Camera gal.
yeah, you're actually, I was about to say you're actually the camera woman.
Camera gal. Ooh, is it a cream?
Nana!
Sorry. Ooh.
Nana!
Put it on me.
Nana!
Put it on you.
Yeah, and that's what it
Oh,
looks
my
like
lips.
blended.
Yeah, because she already hydrated.
Looks pretty
What's on
nice.
me? I know, it does look just pretty with that.
No, stop. You were not in the video. Not to need to try stuff on Nana. Okay, I'm so excited because we have.
Ooh, what's that? Show me.
Ooh. So, look how pretty, just already, and look at the back too. And it says
Too fast.
Camelina and Strobe Illuminating Primer Hydration.
Oh, it's a primer.
Yeah.
I was looking for that.
Okay, guys. Well, after this video, we are
I'll do
now. After this video, we'll be doing a full face.
Put some primer on this.
Fine. I'm not in the video. I was like, stop. I'm not in the video. I am just I found my.
Little dab.
Mm-hmm.
Smell good. Good. That's perfect. On the other side too. Little dabs. Up the top, you know. Something like it.
Okay, it's really good.
Up top.
Stop. It's okay.
Here. Okay.
Nana. And it's really pretty. Nice.
It does look really pretty on you. Your skin looks luminous. It's really pretty.
The last thing we're going to be opening. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I need to put this back in the package.
Ooh, what's that?
Borough, New York. Salmon cream.
Salmon cream.
I don't know what that is.
Read the directions.
The directions. I can't see. Apply to the face and neck morning and night.
Let's do it.
And morning and night can be used daily. So let's see it.
What's it smell like? Fish oil? Did you say it's salmon?
Yeah. Why is there a ginormous thing on one little thing?
Put it in the bag.
I took like a little bit.
Do you smell it? Oh, it smells like it's going to be very refreshing on your skin.
Just already feels good. And,
It does? Is it nice and cool?
Yeah.
Can I try some?
Tiniest bit.
Just a little? I can't even do nothing with that. Look at what she gives me. Where's the thing? Where is it? Right there. A little dab will do ya.
Okay, guys, now we're on to the last and final thing of this package. Oh, yeah, there's something else. No, that was the brush. Now we're going to... You guys can read it because I don't know how to pronounce
Okay,
it.
that is kombucha.
11% AHA flotation powder.
Exfoliation.
Effluation powder.
Oh, is it powder?
Lactic, glulam, black tea, and tree bark. It's like a serum.
What did you see? Oh. Maybe we're supposed to put that on before our moisturizers and primer. Yeah, but we can smell it. It probably doesn't smell too good.
Yeah, it doesn't smell.
Let me smell. Because kombucha. Yeah, kind of smells medicine-y, like alcohol. Don't spill it. Yeah, that's got to go in first.
Yeah. Okay, guys, that was our last and final thing in our smaller package. We are actually opening 3 packages today. So, yeah, pretty cool. Now we're starting off with the big one. Now we're doing the big one, not starting off with the big one.
And if you like these videos...
There's a package inside of here, again.
Again.
Oh
Liz,
my...
Just Subscribe on the right or on the left. And follow.
Well, first to go,
Little
we'll look
bell.
at this really pretty bag.
Mm-hmm.
Has like people on it. And the last one, we got this one. And this one. But in this one, we get this one and this one. Let's open it. First, I'm going to open the package inside of it.
Is it? I think it's something else. Oh, yeah, that's something else.
Wait, let me check.
No, that's just...
What is it? I want to see what it is.
Well, you can look at it, but it has nothing to do with the Ipsy thing. Just vitamins.
Yeah.
I had CBD.
Boring vitamins
Yeah.
was in my packet.
Bye-bye, package.
Yeah, bye-bye is right.
Mm-hmm.
First, it comes with a card. Stronger together. Pretty cool. So we'll start off with the smallest / thinnest thing.
House.
House, elaborate, and now I'm going to look on the back. Liquid eyeliner.
Oh, I need that.
Let's open it. See what the packaging is on it. Again, I don't want to rip it.
Might as well.
Sorry, guys. All my Nana does is talk. Oh my god.
Oh, can I see it?
It's so cool. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Let's what?
Oh, nice. I like it. So it looks like it's a sponge applicator.
I'm just gonna do a line.
Oh, nice line.
It's a nice thin line.
Mm.
Pretty cute. Pretty cool. Pretty cute. Now we're on to the next. This is like a
Purelissy. Silken
Purelissy
Glow.
BB base primer.
Oh, another primer.
Base primer. That one just said primer. Let's look what this looks like.
Maybe you have to shake it.
Oh, it's like BB cream.
Oh, it's BB?
Yeah.
Oh, great. That's great. Put some on my finger. Right here.
Wait.
Okay.
See, it's like a color. Now we can do the full face of makeup.
We can?
Yes, because we even have BB cream now. Hopefully there's some like powder or something in here. Now we're going to do... Okay, guys, next time. We got a...
Oh, what's that?
Blush! Finally, we don't have to use red stuff. It is liquid to baked and smoothing blush. Sounds
Liquid to
fancy.
what? Base?
Base.
Oh, it's a liquid
Baked.
Bake?
No, yeah. Baked, yeah. Look at the package.
It is Blush by Bellini. So it's Italian. Liquid to baked and smoothing
Oh my god.
blush. Let me see.
You have to hear the camera.
Ooh, very nice. Where's the applicator?
It doesn't come
Oh.
with one, but we
Got a new one.
And I'm pretty sure we have like a... Now it's time for another thing of ours.
Cella. Cream and cream.
The very best cream. Let's smell this.
I think Cella's wicked expensive. I think one of our YouTuber stars was using that. I'll have to look at my notes. What is it? What is this stuff, though?
It's cream.
Moisturizing cream?
It smells like lemons.
It smells like lemons? Oh, I gotta smell it.
We have to put away the blush.
Nope.
Smell it now, once it's on you.
Oh, it's hard to come out. It's a little thick. Feels good. It smells nice.
Yeah, like lemon. And look at the packaging. It's so beautiful.
Let me see. Cella. Oh, is that? Let me see. Oh, it's got gold on the packaging.
You have a lot of cream right here.
Yeah, I didn't fill it in yet.
Now it's time for the last and final thing. Foaming cream cleanser.
Oh, really? So we're gonna need that.
Here we go. So what we start off with is doing this. Then we put on the serum. That serum that we opened. So we'll do it in the next video. We're going to be doing that. Yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
We're not posting that because of that.
What?
You just looked up your nose, you weirdo.
Look back because I want to see if it was bleeding.
Oh, I need to get my hair done. What's this? What do we get? Something new?
Yes, the foaming cream cleanser, Nana.
Oh.
Smells so good, guys. This is a weird channel. Okay, guys, that is not it for today. We still have one more package. So, where did you put the box?
No, I'm not opening because I want to send that back. It cost me a lot of money to package it back up and send it back. It's perfume. It's either Chanel No. 5 or it's fake. It's from New York. It's from eBay. It was fake. I was scammed.
Okay.
Don't buy stuff from eBay.
Okay. We're in our next video, and after we watch this video, we will be doing a full face of makeup from this products. So,
have a good day.
bye.
Bye now.
See you in 5 minutes after we watch this video.
Okay, make good choices and goodbye.
Bye.
Be safe.
See you guys next Ipsy unboxing.
Yes.